Girl, you've been extraordinarily happy these days. See your eyes.
When you're getting what I'm getting, you'll be so happy.
Oh dear, how is it? Please just me.
Girl, if you see the size of this thing.
Hey! Oh my god.
You know what? I don't want to think about it. So
how's general?
I cannot last 5 minutes, so I don't know. I'm just there because of the money. But I mean, I get to see the ugly.
You know. But you have to be careful.
Careful of what? Someone's going to catch me. Me?
Don't say I did not tell you.
Of him?
You have to be careful.
I have it under control.
Okay.
Wakey. Morning, darling.
Anson, good morning. Did I snore?
No, you weren't snoring. Fine. Oh, close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. Open. Happy anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary, baby.
Oh. Come, let me take a look at my queen. Come on, let me take a good look at my beautiful queen. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, let me get ready for working.
No, I need to make you breakfast, so just sit down. Let me just freshen up and Can't we just stay home today and not do anything?
Look, I wish I could. Duty calls. I'll make it up to you.
You better. One more.
Oh, come on.
One more.
Oh, God.
Bye.
Madam.
Why is this place not cleaned?
Madam. Condensing my voice.
I should condense my voice. Are you mad? Call the others.
Okay, madam.
What are you paying these people for? Why is the pool not cleaned?
Madam, are we cleaning it?
No, you are swimming in it. Didn't you tell them, Abdul?
Madam, Abdul told them, they told Abdul they are waiting for confirmation from madam.
What's that supposed to mean? Ma. Coco, move back. Did you have your bath? Yes, ma. You had your bath. Yes, ma. Like this? Yes, ma. God save us the day you choose not to have your bath.
Amen.
I want this place cleaned. This house neat before the 20th. It's the general's birthday. Do you understand me?
Yeah, yeah.
Am I joining them to clean the pool?
No now. Don't join them. Go and sleep.
Okay, ma.
You must be moving mad.
Sorry, ma. Can I take permission for a day off, ma?
For what?
I have an audition, an acting audition.
You want to leave your work to go for an acting audition?
No, it's just something that I am in here.
Yeah, you're very passionate about it, right?
Emeka.
It's your dream to become a Nollywood star.
God bless you, ma.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 30. Next 3 years will make me 39, ma.
You are 39.
Yes, just 39.
And you want to start your movie career right now, right?
Yes, you know they say life starts at 40.
And a fool at 40 is a fool forever, right?
Am I a fool?
You know what? Keep dreaming. This place clean. This house neat.
Show say madam never did fall in love with me. Naive. Let me talk these things.
Maybe then she say na momo na ibi ibi. Momo the terrace.
I love you cause we got wrong cause.
Baby, what happened? What took you so long? Are you okay? What happened now? Talk to me. Talk to me now. My love.
Okay, sir. I'm ready to go for the night.
All right, Abuchi, good night.
Good night.
I said massage. I didn't say tickle.
I am massaging you.
Come on, can you just massage me, please?
Don't you like it?
I like it, but just massage me.
Well, I massage you. This is a better form of massage.
Oh, goodness me.
Do you want to?
Do you want?
Obviously. You know, this general needs to be confidential. Stop. What? Hey, babe. You're leaving already?
Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
As usual.
Thank you. Why are you leaving now? Let me make you breakfast.
No. I've had breakfast already.
Who made you breakfast?
Coco.
Coco?
Yeah.
Oh,
Walk me to the door.
fine.
Coco, good morning.
Abji, come. See the time you're just coming to work, Abji.
Coco, I don't understand. You are not a madam too.
Wait, see.
Come now, as I want to be shouting it out. What did you cook for Oga yesterday?
General. It was jollof rice now. In fact, Senegalese jollof rice. I went international.
Hey, yeah. International, Avi?
Yes.
Well done. So, you're Nigerian, but you go cook Senegalese jollof rice. Abuchi receive sense.
Wait, I don't understand. What is happening?
Nothing, no. I just a pity for you when they give you Senegalese flogging. Oga was looking for you yesterday.
Hey, what did I do?
What did I do? What did I do? No be you go cook Senegalese jollof. I beg you receive your Senegalese flogging. I bet me bring peg.
Yes, remind me, I'll tell Joe to get you the gift I got the last time I traveled.
Aw, thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Right. Okay,
One more.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, sir.
Let's go. Right.
Ma, please, ma.
Hey. Move back. Move back! Why do you always smell like fish now? Why?
Ma, please, sorry, ma. I wanted to talk to you.
What?
Ma, I was thinking that perhaps you could give me permission to go and see my mother, ma.
Eh? You want to leave my own work to go and see your mother?
No.
Are you okay?
Ma, I'm not going to leave work. I'll work all the work before I go.
Oh, you will work all the work. But can I remove this from your salary?
Please, ma, I'm begging. I'll do everything before I go.
You are begging. Fine, I'll remove from your salary.
Ma, good morning.
Hey, come here. I'll remove that money from your salary.
I'm not going again now. Sorry.
Abuchi! You guys want to kill me in this house, Abi? You want to kill me? I don't like your faces. You know what? On the second thought, you guys can take the day off. And tell Abdul too. You can come back at night.
Excuse me.
Eh?
As in, make we go.
Oh, you want me to change my mind?
No, sorry, ma. We are going.
Because I gave you the day off doesn't mean you should go and visit your mother. And use a deodorant.
Good day, madam. The general asked me to bring you some gifts.
And where are they?
I'm sure you know where they are.
Where?
Come on. They're somewhere here. Won't you offer me some wine?
I have something better.
Oh, really?
It's bread and this thing that I want to buy you. Bread and mineral. Madam, give me Fanta.
Please bring one Sprite for me.
I bring Sprite for him.
You want to buy it?
And I'm buying for him now.
Yeah, you big boy.
But wait, oh. This one that madam gave us off. You know bother on that too.
Wait, oh, Coco, what's your problem? They give you off wahala, no off wahala. Me, I'm happy. I'm even celebrating it because I'll use this opportunity to go for my audition.
Audition again? Ramsey Noah. This your audition, eh? Let me even ask you. Is it every day of the week?
Yeah, hit that. Yes. Is it my fault that you don't have passion for anything?
Me, I don't have passion.
You don't.
You are mad.
Hey, it's okay. Yes, so, see, what me I want to say is, although that's our madam, as much as I think she's a witch, she's wicked. You know, she's actually very nice. You know, this is my 26th house that I'm working as a house girl.
Yeah? Omo, you have experience, oh.
Your village headmaster get experience. You be fool. As I told before this year human being interrupts me. Do you know that of all the 26 when I don't work, the madam pay me highest pass? Okay, wait now. Let me give you small gist. This boy, Yusuf, that works for Colonel
Ludofia.
Thank you, Colonel Ludofia. Ask me how much they pay him.
How much?
Ask me now.
How much?
15K.
Kokoma.
Which one we don't carry? Why will I lie? They follow and spend. I'm telling you, as that man get money reach, now 15K they pay that boy. I swear. This man no go bring this thing.
I don't know.
I mean, let me go and withdraw money so I can flex on madam so somebody cannot go and visit her mother now. Jesus.
What is it?
Oh, I forgot my phone.
Yeah.
In the house?
In school. Okay. Now we have to go back.
Did you say we?
Eh.
You escort yourself or you go alone. We'll be waiting for you here.
Abji, let's go.
I'm at home like this, oh.
Go now, go. Be fast so that
we'll wait for you.
Just go and come back quickly.
Hey. Abji, like that, Abi.
We'll wait for you.
It's like that, Abi. Don't worry, now. The two of you need something to come and help you.
We'll wait for you. Wetin dey hold her now? Which kind problem this now? Where is she?
Call her now.
Abi?
Is it ringing?
For where? Not reachable.
Maybe it's network.
Coco, wetin happen now? Talk now. Did you see your phone?
Say I'm crazy. If you like to say so many things about me, I just to play my game. You and I know the same. What in you want?
What money, madam?
Money. Give it to you that you want. Everything you want to do, I'll pass you. Every way you want to go, I go and pass you. Can't stop me, you can't catch me. I do the way I want to do. Can't stop me, you can't catch me. Do the way I want to do. Don't even try me, don't try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. No even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. I'll be your baby, I'll be your number one lover. I'll be your baby, I'll be your number one lover. Everything about you is all I really want to. Boy, you drive me crazy. Wanna be your soulmate. Everything you want to do, I do, I'm past you. Every way you want to go, I go, I'm past you. Can't stop me, you can't catch me. I do the way I want to do. You can't stop me, you can't catch me. Do the way I want to do. Don't even try me, don't try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me.
Let me try. Sit here.
What's the matter?
I'm fine. I just didn't sleep well.
So sorry about that.
Sir, the water you asked me to bring.
That's fine. Just bring it. You can go.
Sir, there's something I would like to tell you.
What do you want to tell him? You don't have...
Hey. That's fine.
Somebody brought a parcel, so I collected it and dropped it at the study.
I say thank you.
You can go. Thank you.
I want to.
What's the matter? You seemed very tensed.
No, I'm just long overdue for holiday.
Okay, we will.
Yes, we better. I'm tired. It's very hot in Nigeria.
Sir, I want to inform you that I'll be going home to see my mother later. I'll be gone for the weekend.
I see. Does your madam know?
Oh, yes, sir. She actually said I could go.
Yes, you can go. You told me, my darling. You take the weekend off.
Thank you, ma.
Yes, you can go. Let me just get you up.
You have your water.
Honey? What is this?
What?
Don't tell me this belongs to you.
Of course it's not mine. It's one of the things I want to give to the orphanage.
Thank God. Because I know my wife has more class than this.
Why did you leave it here?
Today, I'm not cooking for anybody. Anybody that wants to eat should just come and cook their own meal. I'm just flexing.
Abju, I beg. Don't start this regime. Better still, before you start this regime, please cook me something. Let me eat now. I'm hungry.
Look at this one.
It's not your fault. I made you wins. Idiots.
What are you doing?
You know when I start hungry, Abia. So let me take this thing and madam used to take. Here you go.
Is that not what she drinks after jogging?
I'll jog after this one.
Cute.
Why is she always shouting? The tea is not even sweet like that. What is going on here? What's that?
It's pot now.
Pot.
Yes.
No food today.
Coco,
Ma?
is that my perfume you're wearing?
Ma, I did not wear it though. It's spray, I sprayed it. I did not wear it.
You sprayed my perfume.
Ma, it's spray.
Are you okay?
Ma? When you say me, I did not wear it.
Are you?
Ma? Ma, please, I'll chill it time.
Abuchi! 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 Coco!
I do my things the way I want them. Make it no try me. Make it no try me. No even try me. No try me. I do my things the way I want them. Make it no try me. Make it no try me. If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so many things about me. I don't care. Me, I just to play my game. You and I know the same. Within you want, within you want. I give it to you and that you want it. Everything you want to do, I do, I'm past you. Every way you want to go, I go, I'm past you. Can't stop me, you can't catch me. I do what I want to do. You can't stop me, you can't catch me. Do the way
Where is Coco?
When this my voice, madam. Coco, you have come outside. You have stand here. Is a working, is a working, is a go outside now, no, madam.
You're asking me to condense my voice.
Condense my voice, madam.
You must be mad.
Thank me, madam.
Take. Go to the pharmacy and get me these drugs and close my gate.
Okay, madam. Thank me, madam.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
Hi. Baby, I want to get another job. My friend recommended me to her PR agency and they would call me for an interview very soon.
Amara, is there anything you lack in this house?
Nothing. But darling...
End of discussion.
Darling,
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, ma. Excuse me, sir. Lieutenant Jerry called.
Oh, I see. That's true. I'll call him later. Go upstairs to my study and bring my briefcase. I'll be in the car waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
Stop! Have you not been taking my calls?
See, we need to stop this, okay? Whatever is happening between us, we need to stop.
What are you
Because, see, listen, we need to part ways. But you know what happened the other time? I'm not doing this anymore.
What are you talking about?
Excuse me, ma.
Ma! You have been in between my legs. You cannot address me as ma. Do you understand me?
Please, this has to stop. It's far too risky. I can no longer continue to be a toy boy because I'm done.
Done? Oh, because you have screwed me doesn't mean you can screw with me. When I want it, I want it. See, I can live in fear. But this, boy, we are not done.
I'm scared, okay? I can't do this. I am really, really scared. You need to see what the general did to the furniture guy who refused to deliver on time.
This now. Help me to die, general, for me now. Don't let me to die, please. I'm begging you, please. Don't let me die here.
You almost killed him. The furniture guy, please.
Okay, fine. See, just the tea. Just. Shh. See, hold. Are you mad? Do you want to get fired?
Well done, ma.
Well done.
What is it?
Ma, all of us joined put together, we came to tell you that we need increments in our salary, ma.
Yes, so I support the last speaker. Because this, my small salary, cannot maintain the new celebrity life that I'm about to live now as a big boy.
Coco, increment the salary.
How much are we talking about?
Yeah, 50. 50.
50%, ma.
50%? Plus how much I'm paying you people? That's a lot now.
Okay, madam, sorry if you no go fit. No worry. No,
Wait. I will pay.
Madam, 50?
Yes, 50.
I'll effect the increase in your payment this month.
Month end?
Yes,
Thank
now.
you, ma.
Thank you.
Coco.
Ma? Thank you, ma.
Oh man, thank God Coco forgot her phone in the house the other day.
As in, for me,
It has so helped out.
I would just say that thank God God is not a man. I would have just died. And they tell you.
Seriously. Oh, Coco ma.
Coco.
The ring leader. Bado.
Coco.
Guys, come on. I'm starting to feel bad for Madame. Let's forgive her now.
Hey, yeah. You are feeling for her. Madam feeling.
How did you not talk like that now? You not tell her.
Yes, but it's true. She's saying the real thing. Let's consider her.
We've been torturing her for the past few days. We'll just forgive her now.
You're wise.
Oh, let's forgive her. Oh, see. Before you guys forgive her, I don't have an issue with your forgiveness. But please, let Abuchi collect his 3 months salary in advance. Then you can start forgiving.
I concur. Abuchi is right as well. Let's consider. Just
You not get mind of your own. I'm right, he's right. Which one is your own?
Both of you are right now. Let's dispute this thing. You are right.
What is going on?
Good evening, madam.
Evening. Where's the general?
He's inside.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
Baby, what are you doing with this now?
Do you remember my colleague, Brigadier General Lani?
Yes.
He's in hospital. He suffered a massive heart attack. What? Because he caught his wife cheating on him with his aide-de-camp. And not only the aide-de-camp, the gardener as well. Can you imagine?
Why would she do that now? Why would she do that?
It would be nice to get out of the picture. Listen, he didn't die with the war in Sambisa. He didn't die only to come and meet a very stupid, useless woman, a disloyal wife. Now he has a heart attack. I pray he survives it.
Well, amen. He will survive it, but do you want to go and kill her?
I just don't know why some women misbehave. Lani's wife should come and learn from you. That's why I just thank God every day that I have a wife like you.
Yes, she should come and learn from me. Oh, she should come and learn. See, baby, look at me. I will never, ever cheat on you. I'm yours forever. Okay? No, baby, no. Calm down. Let's go. I'm so sorry to hear this. Baby, why are you not sleeping? It's late. Are you okay? Baby, what are you doing with that?
Nothing. Promise me we will not end up like Captain Lani and his wife.
Never, baby. Ever.
I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me. Making no try me. No even try me. No try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me. Making no try me. If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so many things about me. I don't care. Me, I just to play my game. You and I know the same. Within you want, within you want. I give it to you and that you want. Everything you want to do, I do. I'm past you. Everywhere you want to go, I go. I'm past you. Can't stop me, you can't catch me. I do the way I want to do. You can't stop me, you can't catch me. Do the way I want to do. Don't even try, don't try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. No even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. I be your baby, I be your number one lover. I be your baby, I be your number one lover. Everything about you is all I really want to. Boy, you drive me crazy. Wanna be your soul.
Abdul!
Everything.
Abdul!
Yeah. Good evening, madam.
Good evening. How are you?
Hey, madam, I will do fine.
I just said I should come and give you this.
Ah, madam, I don't drink alcohol.
Oh, it's not alcohol, it's just fruit juice.
Fruit juice?
Yes. You know you'll be working so hard, and I would like us to be friends.
Ah, madam, friend for good or not friend for bad?
Abdul, good friends, okay?
Ah, okay, madam.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah. Drink, yes.
Make a drink, madam.
Yes, yes.
Ha. Okay, I will drink, madam. Ah, madam, the tea is sweet.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank me, madam.
Good night.
Thank me, madam. Yeah. The madam is a give madam still a drink. I don't understand. You don't quite sense me.
Try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. No even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so
Bye.
many things about me. I don't care.
Abdul! Abdul! Abdul!
I found a police gate.
Conduct my voice. Leave me.
Did you want to hurt me? Oh, you want to kill me, Abi?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Abdul,
Baba.
what are you getting? Kashi, get out!
This is what I face every time you go to work. Every time.
Kasha,
What did you drink? What did you drink, Abdul?
Hey, you, come back here.
Come back. What is the time? Come here. What is the time?
Mama, there's no time.
You're just coming to work by this time.
Two of you, when I get back,
You see?
I will handle this issue. Let's go.
You
Open
see?
the gates.
You see?
Sorry, darling.
You see?
When
I'm
I get
very
back.
stressed. I don't like
Let's
this.
go. I don't have time.
This is not fair.
When I get back, I'll handle this.
You want to kill me in this house. You want to frustrate me.
You want the thing you want, I give it to you where that you want. The thing you want, the thing you want, I give it to you. No even try me, no try me. I I do my things the way I want them. Making no try me. Making no try.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Nothing. I love to watch you eat.
Very romantic.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Hello? Okay, yeah. Yeah, you told me. Okay, we'll discuss further tomorrow at the mess. Yes, I remember. All right then, tomorrow then. Warm regards to your family. Yeah, good night, bye-bye.
Baby, just eat, okay? Eat your food.
I'm eating.
Baby, what is it? What is it? What is it? Abuchi! 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 How much pepper did you put in this food?
I think...
You did what?
I didn't put anything.
How much pepper did you put in this food? Do you want to kill him? You want to kill him?
I didn't put anything.
I'm sorry. Call John. Go call John! Leave the food and call John! This is dead. Do you want us to go to the hospital? Sorry, baby.
I'm in trouble.
Ogajo,
Coco, how are you?
I'm fine.
Coco, you didn't say anything, right? You didn't say anything.
John, why did you do it? Eh? Why?
Coco, you not understand. But please, I beg you, do not tell the general, please.
Oga John, it's not in my place. So, see, let me ask you a question. What if that day it wasn't me that entered, it was General that entered and cut you on top of his wife?
Coco, please, I beg you. Please, don't tell him. Don't, please.
What can I say? Nobody's above mistake.
Coco, please, I'm begging you.
I will not tell.
Thank you.
Don't even try me, don't try me. I do my things the way I want them. Making no try me. Making no try me. No even try me.
I can't find my shoe.
Look, you need to
I can't find
calm
it.
down, stop shouting. It's
Okay.
just shoes.
It's fine. You know I told you about this stuff. They will be the death of me. First they tried to poison you and now I can't find my shoe.
Hey, who's that? Come in. Coco, your madam is looking for her shoes. Do you know where it is?
Sir, ma.
How did my shoe get...
It was you that said I should give it to the shoemaker down the road, ma.
Why would I tell you to give a shoe I've not even worn before to the shoemaker? Why would I do that? Honey, you see what I'm saying?
Calm down.
You see what I am saying?
You calm down.
Ma, maybe you've forgotten, no. You said I should give it to the shoemaker down the road that they should expand it because...
Because of what? Because of what?
Because your leg is too big.
Your leg, your tenacious leg will be too big.
I said stop that. That's enough. Drop the shoes. I'll take it over from there.
Okay, sir. Good night, ma.
Good night for yourself.
I said stop that. What's wrong with you?
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, sit down.
It's fine.
Abdul.
Mama.
Sacked.
Hey!
Abuchi.
Sir.
Fired.
Hey!
Now, let this be a lesson to the two of you. I would not take nonsense. I'm just allowing these guys go. They're very lucky because I would have dealt with them for the stunt they pulled last week. Be warned.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Thank you, honey.
Don't even try me, don't try me. I do my things the way I want them. Making no try me. Making no try me. Don't even try me.
Wait, let me ask. Abuchi never supposed know wetin general they eat and wetin general not supposed they eat.
Not being there, go so. Go and ask him now. Don't you have sense? Are you blind? Madam is behind all of this.
Which madam again? Madam where they fear us.
Hey, okay. Goke, you know you're working on eggshells. Better have sense. I've talked my own. No, if you like here, if you like not here, the next check is for you.
Don't even try me, don't try me. I do my things the way I want them, make it don't try me.
Madam, what are you looking for?
I saw one big rat. Oh, it was entering your room, so I was going to help you kill it. I decided to use my key.
Rats?
Yes, rats.
In my room?
Yes.
Thank you.
So I should leave. This is my husband's house now. You cannot tell me where to enter and where not to enter.
Ma, I'm not arguing, no. I was thinking perhaps we should tell General that we saw rats. Or better yet, I should tell him that I saw 2 bigger rats in his sitting room the other day doing kerewa.
Coco, it's not that deep now. I was just trying to help you. I don't know what you saw, but
Ma, please, may I enter my room, please? I would like to enter.
Someone cannot help you again. It's okay.
No weapon.
Baby, did you get the invite?
Yes.
Okay. You have it?
Yep.
You're looking very nice, actually.
Thank you.
Babe, why don't you wear the wristwatch I got for you last Christmas?
Which one is that?
The Chris Air.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It's not there.
Hmm?
It's not there.
What do you mean it's not there?
You don't just see me go through it. It's not there.
Baby. I'm sure it is somewhere.
Wait, let me call.
Just hold on. Let's look for it first before you call somebody. Have you checked?
John. Yeah, come to my room right now.
Where can it be?
So, John, I'm looking for my wristwatch, Chris.
Chris Air.
Yes, Chris Air. And I can't seem to find it anywhere. I've searched everywhere. Do you by chance know where it is?
No, sir.
Okay, can you go downstairs now? Search every member of the domestic staff and make sure that wristwatch is found. Get on with it.
Yes, sir.
Well, who would take this wristwatch? Who would take it?
Okay. Come. See, I've been wanting to tell you. This one that Abuchi and Abdul, they've left the house. Work for a year and I die.
Exactly. Myself, I don't tire. See, me, I want to leave. But I'm just waiting for the salary to come. Then I'll go.
It's like that salary you're waiting for. When it's time to leave, I will join you.
You want to join me?
Yeah,
don't worry. I have an audition now to attend. After the audition, when I come back, we'll talk. Sorry. You're always laughing at me like I'm a real fool.
Sorry.
What is it now?
You didn't go audition?
Hey now.
So you're still chasing this your acting dream?
Yes.
Hey, fine boy. Team light skin. Badass actor.
Don't worry, see, when I win this their VM this their
AMVCA
maker, I'll give you shout out.
Hey,
I'll hype you.
Shout out.
Yes.
Sorry, come. As what exactly they want to win AMVCA?
This thing now. Best way act pass.
Oh!
Hey now. I'm not seeing you. But don't worry, when I come out.
Hey, you. Come here.
What is it?
General's orders. No one is to leave this compound unless the bags are thoroughly examined.
Why where you been? I don't understand. I beg, I go for this show. What can they go for this show?
Right me? Now you will obey.
You don't even get rank, Sefi. They come here, they call the fun level. Oh, she came up with this man.
What's going on here?
What happened?
What is happening here?
No. This man, they just come here, come they beat me for the past 4 hours.
Honey, your wristwatch.
How did this get?
So you are a thief. You're a thief.
I'm not. It's not
You
me.
are a thief.
Oh.
What else have you stolen in my house?
I did not steal anything.
Wait a
Oh my
minute.
God.
How did you get this?
Sir, I swear, I don't know anything about this wristwatch, sir.
Fell out from his bag.
You're a thief.
I'm not.
You are.
Sir, I beg, General. If you touch her.
Even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me. Making no try me. No even try.
You broke my heart, John.
Mom, please, would you rest it? I would like to take you back to bed.
Is it because of my maid? Yes. I see the way you look at her and the way she looks at you. You know, it's funny how people settle for catfish when they've tasted the caviar.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. Good night. Here, baby.
Thank you.
Baby, I think that we need to install CCTV cameras in the house based on what has been going on in the house for the past 2 days.
Sounds like a good idea.
Great.
All right, I'll get John to call someone to fix it tomorrow.
Oh, don't worry, I have somebody in mind. Just have John to come get your laptop so you can view home from your workplace.
Okay, fine.
And baby, I was thinking we could install one in this room.
Our bedroom? I don't like that idea, no. Bedroom? Oh, no.
Think about it. See how Goke stole that wristwatch and we didn't know about it.
Oh, what am I doing with touching that place?
Baby, stop. When you are touching this place, we can actually turn it off.
No, you have a way with
I know.
trying to weaken me when you want something. Hey, no, stop. I'm working.
Say yes.
Okay, yes.
Say yes.
Hey, I'm working. Stop. Love you.
I love you. Are you sure it's working now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
And we can watch it?
Yes, ma'am.
At will?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll have my husband do the transfer to your boss, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
You too.
No even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. No even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so many things about me. I don't care. Me, I just to play my game. You and I know the same. Within you want. I give it to you and that you want it. Everything you want to do, I do. I'm past you. Every way you want to go, I go.
go and put your clothes in the room upstairs.
All right. Coco, ma, come. I don't feel like drinking alone, so join me. Well done. Finish it.
Ma, no, too much sugar is not good.
Just Coco, drink.
Ma, can't be done.
Well done.
Thank you, ma.
Good day, ma.
Hi.
The general asked me to come get his laptop.
Oh, I've been expecting you. It's in the bedroom.
Thank you.
John!
Yes, ma'am.
I just feel I'm very happy today. I feel like drinking with people. So, would you mind joining me? Please. It's just juice.
I know, but it's what's inside of it, I'm unsure.
Oh, because you're not sleeping with me doesn't mean I'm not getting it somewhere else.
Oh, please.
Don't flatter yourself. Drink.
Can I go now? This is laptop.
Yeah.
Thank you.
John.
Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. I'm looking somewhere around here.
What are you looking for?
The general's laptop. Maybe you can help me find it. My secret weapon.
Okay, let me just back up.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was gonna help you get that.
Okay, John. Are you okay?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I didn't know what was gonna happen.
Let me have the... Okay, John, no. Okay, John, stop. Okay, John, stop. Okay, John, wait now. Okay, just stop now.
Baby, I'm thinking of hiring new staffs. And I would like to conduct the interview myself this time.
Okay, but maybe we should try another agency. You know, I like to have background checks on whoever is coming to the house.
General, just because you recruit for the army doesn't mean that you can actually get new domestic staff.
There she goes, putting me down again.
Of course not, baby. You know, you're my sugar bear. Sugar.
You don't want my kiss?
No.
You're underestimating the power of my kiss.
Go away.
Okay, you win. I've got some work to do now. Let me get
What do you want to get?
the laptop.
Oh, fine.
Look, I still don't understand why the CCTV is not working. And Paul brought it to me very late.
Oh, really? I can get you.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's very bad.
What?
What?
What? What's this rubbish? What's this?
What? That's our bed. You see why I need new staff? You see why I need new people in this house?
our matrimonial bed.
If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so many things.
Come on, go. On top of my bed. On top of my bed. Go. Out. Out.
I want to tell
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
You're very, very lucky.
Yes. Very lucky. Oh, you want to say something? You want to say what? Remember that video? I will send it to your mother. Your mother has heart condition. We just die. Go. You're still standing here. Out!
If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so many things about me. I don't care. Me, I just to play my game. You and I know the same. Within you want. I give it to you and that you want. Everything you want to do, I do. I'm fast.
Hey, darling.
Hi, what took you so long?
Oh, I got carried away with my run.
Meet my new orderly, Taylor.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Let me take this call. Hello?
I'm sorry to meet you like this. I'm such a mess.
No, it's fine. I mean, there's nothing messy about a lady that walks out. It's a turn on for most men.
And you know that some women like men in uniform. I mean, that's why I married one.
All right, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Hey, darling.
Bye. Have a good day.
No even try me, no try me. I do my things the way I want. I'm making no try me, making no try me. If you like it, say I'm crazy. If you like it, say I'm nothing. If you like it, say so many things about me. I don't care. Me, I just to play my game. You and I know the same. Within you want. I give it to you and that you want. Everything you want to do, I do. I'm past you. Every way you want to go, I go. I'm past you. Can't stop me, you can't catch me. I do the way I want to do. You can't stop me, you can't catch me. Do the way I want to.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. I'm so touched. Oh, thank you. No wonder I didn't see you.
I'm sorry, sir. I was only acting on madam's instruction.
Happy birthday. Take it, hold it for me.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you so much, darling.
Were you surprised?
Pleasantly surprised. Thank you all. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Just 1 second.
No, it's not for you. It's for him.
I'm glad he likes it.
Yeah. Taylor, can you help me get cups in the glass cups in the kitchen?
All right, madam.
You know what? Let me show you so you can help me get it. What's that, guys? Come on.
What's this happening to me? I can't believe. Oh my God, it's so hard to believe. What is it that I ever done to deserve this? It's like a dream, I can't believe it. Oh no, no. The only one I love, they break my heart. The girl in my life to break my heart. You know, say I will give everything to you. You know, say I will do anything for you. Lonely, lonely, lonely. That's how you make me feel lonely. Lonely, 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 lonely. That's how you make me feel lonely. So what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? You broke it, what we building. Can I ask you how you feeling right now? How you feeling right now? Ooh, girl, this is what you do. Can't believe it's you. Can I ask you how you feeling right now? How you feeling right now? So bad. The only one I love to break my heart. The girl in my life.
Babe, pick now. Hello, Mommy. Mommy, good afternoon. Mommy, please now. I have nowhere else to go. I'm homeless. I'm on the street. Please help me. I know I was wrong. I know that. Please help me now. Hello? Mommy. Hi, John. It's me, Amara. John, hello? Hello, John. Hey.
Madam, how far with my money now?
Come here, please. I've been trying to call my friend, but she's
no,
not picking.
No. Madam, please give me my money. Now this see the taxes why they carry his
money. I beg you.
Uncle, auntie, come out for this car. Make I carry another passenger.
I don't have anywhere to go.
Madam, come for this car. Make I go.
Please, help me.
I go.
Okay. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Now maybe because of family problem.
Okay, please now.
Come out for my car, because.
Bros, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Please, I'm looking for Oga John. He's a soldier. He's tall, light skin. He has body like this.
Oga John.
Light skin.
He's
yes.
a soldier.
Yes.
As in, and he stays in this area.
Yes.
As in, which building particularly?
Come here. I don't know. They said that he lives on this road.
You know Oga John around?
Oga John.
Yeah.
Be soldier.
One soldier man. You just new park come now. If you just cross like this, there is one tall building like that beside the pharmacy by your right. Then there is one man. He's the only soldier in this place.
But are you sure that
he's the only one?
There's a soldier on this road.
Say I would do anything for you. Lonely, lonely, lonely. That's how you make me feel lonely. Lonely, that's how you make me feel lonely. So what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Lonely, that's how you make me feel lonely. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Lonely, that's how you make me feel lonely.
How did you find me?
A friend told me.
What do you want?
Can I at least just come in?
No, you can't come in. I'm sorry.
John, I am sorry.
Listen.
I know that I wronged you. I don't know what came over me.
You didn't wrong me. Listen. Stand up.
I beg you.
You have not wronged me, okay? You've done more than wrong me. I got this speech from the army because of you. No, please, get out.
Sweetheart.
Sorry.
I said...
Who's at the door?
Who is that?
That's my fiancé. It's an old friend.
Fiancé?
Who's at the door?
Hi, Gogo.
Hello.
Get out.
John, I don't have money for transport.
No problem.
I don't have.
Bye.
I don't
Take
have
care. Take care. All right.
What does she want?
Nothing.
Oh.
I want you.
I've been calling you now. I've been calling you.
I've been busy, very busy.
So like I said, General sent me out of the house.
Hey.
And I don't have anywhere else to go to.
Hey, why now? Why? Sorry, Hey, yeah.
So I was thinking that I can stay with you for, a few weeks just to get myself together.
My fiance and his mother, they're on their way from America right now. They're on their way as I speak.
Okay, fine. I won't disturb them. I won't disturb you too. Let me just stay on the couch.
No, the thing is, my fiance doesn't have a problem. It's just that his mother likes a lot of privacy. And me as future daughter-in-law, I have to behave myself.
Okay, fine. What about your boys' quarters?
I didn't tell you. It's occupied. Hey, it's occupied. Somebody's there.
Talk. If everybody rejects me, you again.
Reject? No. I have your back. I can't reject you. I have your back. It's just that, my hands are tied.
But I don't have anywhere else to go to. I'm homeless.
Maybe you should call John.
Called him, he's not picking.
Hey, and I have to be on my way to the airport now to pick them.
So I should go?
No, yes. Because I have to go out.
Hello?
Hello, John. It's me, Amara. Please don't hang up. I'm sorry. I know I am. Hello?
What's this happening to me? I can't believe it. Oh my God, it's so hard to believe. What is it that I ever done to deserve this? It's like a dream, I can't believe it. Oh no. The only one I love, they break my heart. The girl in my life, they break my heart. See, I will give everything to